So I've already primed my lids like I did yesterday with the Hourglass concealer. We're gonna start out with Manhattan all over the lid. That is hella dark. And it doesn't have to be the cleanest. You guys know I'm not like the most precise. Okay, so we have blended it out into kind of like a plum. I don't know how that brown went to that. That's cool. I'm gonna take 5 PM like I used yesterday, and this is just gonna add a little je ne sais quoi, but it's gonna add something to this eye, and I think it's gonna be nice. And then we're just gonna add Cheers, this one at the top. I don't even know what I'm doing. So this looks crazy, so we're going to have to tone this down a little bit. Okay, so before I do anything else to my eyes, I'm gonna put on my foundation and concealer and all that so I can see what I'm really working with, because I feel like I'm getting like a false advertisement of what this is gonna look like with this. I feel like I'm breaking out in hives because I have like all these red tiny dots all over my face that are not acne, and it's on my neck a little bit too. I'm getting a little creeped the fuck out. But yeah, I like this eyeshadow now that I put on my foundation and concealer. I always psych myself out when I'm in the middle of doing a makeup routine, a makeup video, and it starts going kind of weird. Then my energy starts like shifting completely, and I'm just so not into it. But now that I see that it's cute, I'm here, I'm present, and we're gonna finish up this sweet ass look. Okay, I swear I love that serum concealer so much. It's so moisturizing. Koi. This color, I didn't know that I needed this color so bad in my life until I tried it. It's really good. On the lips, we're gonna take some from this palette, the BH Cosmetics Nude Colors, the 28 color palette. We're gonna take this brown one right here, burgundy brown. Perfect. I honestly don't think I'm gonna use any other highlight but the Glam Glow highlight. It's this middle one, and it just, I don't know, it just really gives like the perfect highlight, and I don't even want to use that much. Okay, and now we're gonna add the eyeliner. You know I cannot not use eyeliner. Alright. Like I said in the last video, if I can do it, you can do it. But yeah, this really only took me like 30 minutes. I mean, that sounds like a really long time, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. You guys leave some recommendations for maybe what kind of makeup looks you want from me, or just videos in general. So just let me know, and I'll be back soon with another video.